Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Boiler Fix. Now there's always one job in a week that's very easy, and this is my job of the week, which is very easy. All I had to do is top the prepaid gas meter. That's all I had to do. Just follow the on-screen instructions.
£98 are still have a credit into the meter. Am I right?
Well, you got gas now. You're gonna have... One second. Let's open the gas now. So you got £98 now, yeah? No. Okay.
Okay. So these lights are still off, but the hot water is coming, and how it?
Guys, sorted this was the Bosch boiler out. Actually, there's nothing wrong with it. The meter, they didn't top it up and follow the instructions. So it's all sorted now, it's all working. Anyway, if your boiler is broken down, give me a call. Birmingham Boiler Fix.